All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back with the end of day PulseWave report. And this is going to be a quick one because there's nothing going on. The markets are still quite quiet, and that's because it's the final holiday week of the year, the end of the fourth quarter, the last trading week of 2022. And I have a perspective on this, all right? And I believe that the powers that be are just going to let the markets just keep them afloat until the final closing bell for the year. And then, of course, the first full week of trading in 2023 is where they're just going to let it all hang out. I think that's when the true market will reveal itself. But for now, I think they're just going to keep the market elevated and afloat until the end of the year. If you take a look here at the US dollar, you can see that it's still elongating itself out, stretching itself out, still bearish, still the potential to fall a lot further. Um, Price action is not, there's nothing bullish on this chart. The market is just falling. It's locked in, and that's just what we got. Until the market turns, it hasn't turned. And right now, the US dollar is still bearish. And there's nothing that we can do about it. There's just not a lot of opportunities on the table. Just a lot of sideways market action. Take a look at gold. Again, sideways trading with a bearish bias. That's it. Sideways trading with a bearish bias. The market hasn't done anything, and it's not going anywhere. It's just trying to stay above 1800, the psychological support. If it can do that, then the market can flip from a bearish perspective to a bullish perspective, which will make these red bars turn blue, and then the market will be ready to relock in on the bull side and run. But right now, it's just the market is just under a lot of low volume, and that's it. It's just not a lot of committal in either direction. Same thing with silver here. Can the market relock in at any moment? Absolutely, and then it can start trending higher again. But right now, it's just sideways trading with a bearish bias. Can this flip? Yes, it might. But for right now, there's no commitment to do anything. Look at bonds. Nah, nothing. Just bearishness, still locked in, threatening to fall out of the Kumo cloud and take out the 52-week low. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Even looking at your Russell, just sideways. No commitment, still bearish bias, just keeping prices elevated, keeping prices afloat. Here's your Dow, keeping prices elevated, still a bearish bias. Can the market relock in and start trending? Absolutely. It can start going higher at any moment. But the likelihood of it in the final week of trading, I don't think so. Litecoin, crash alert for tomorrow, for tonight into tomorrow's trading. The market is flip-flop. You had a rally alert coming into the day, the market flip-flop. There's really just no commitment in either one of these markets. Here's your NASDAQ, which has been very weak and sideways. The 52-week low is in play in a lot of these markets, even though there's really no strength and follow through to get there. But the position of these markets, here's the S&P 500, the position is to take out the 52-week lows. So unless something weird happens, I think that's where we're gonna go as we in the first half of 2023. Bitcoin too, just look at this, just sideways. The market has been flat since November. We've gone nowhere since November the 10th. Price action's going nowhere. Here's your Ethereum. Price action going nowhere. All right. So we got a rally alert, but I don't think the market's going to rally. It's just how it is, folks. Not a lot going on here at all. I think the market's just going to wait. Could we get some fireworks, between Wednesday and Thursday? Yeah, we could. But I think the Fed is just doing all it can just to keep the markets afloat. Oil's right here is near the resistance point, which is $85, which is the Kumo Cloud upside initial target, that 80 to 80, $85 range. Then after that, it'll probably just bump its head and fall back down again. It's just the nature of what's happening. All right, folks, well, that is it. And to smash that like button. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. Remember, the system works if you work the system. And I'm out. Peace.